Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. Yeah, Fetch reached now the upper boundary of my target area for this circle wave 1, which started here in February. So we're going to take a look at that now. First of all, I've zoomed out here a little bit. We see price action from August 23 till today and also into the future, the forecast, the outlook, the ideal structures. And on this chart, the market showed us a 5-wave pattern to the upside in wave 1, which topped likely in December, a 3-wave pullback, bottomed here in February, and we could now, that was a wave 2 pullback, we could now be in this 3rd wave. That's at least the assumption. If we just take this, then a 3rd wave should minimally reach 333. Ideally 415 or higher, okay, and we're only at 167. That's only the 3rd. There should still be a 4-5, and if this entire bullish count is correct, it should even go a little higher. What we cannot rule out is that this is just an ABC structure. It's worth knowing about it. In that case, the 232 level could provide significant resistance. However, I'm leaning towards the bullish count, not an ABC structure, because it's a bullish market, and yeah, this move up looks more like a 5-wave move and so on. So there are some details. But at the moment, we are dealing with this move to the upside, which started in February this year. So how can we understand this move? So obviously here on the 5th of February, we started a new, let's say, rally. Let me just do something here. So, and this rally reached 5 waves, okay? The 5th wave, however, is pretty much overextended. So I would really like it to complete here if this structure is going to be followed. Yeah. So such a wave 2 pullback, for example, should really show before that wave 5 target here is broken or the wave 5 is too overextended. So that doesn't mean the wave 2 has to show, but this area is obviously an ideal area to look for that wave 2 pullback. However, what happens if we break above 186? Well, the market is at a key pivot. So if we get the break above that level, then it could indicate that the microstructure needs to be revised to something even more bullish. In that case, and we have that situation here and there, you know, that is not so important if someone's not following the micro count. But if you're following the micro count, then obviously it's worth knowing that a break above that $1.86 level indicates that we are actually already most likely in the 3rd of a 3rd wave. It would be difficult then to count this, however. But let's first of all talk about what implications it would have. It would mean that probably this wave 1 topped here. So, and wave 3 is basically unfolding. Then we have a 4 and a 5 and so on. But the circle wave 3 is already unfolding. Okay, we do not see a wave 2 pullback anymore. That, however, would leave circle wave 1 in 3 waves if it really topped here. That again would indicate that, yeah, the C wave might be unfolding in an ending diagonal. But hey, let's see. I mean, at the moment it's bullish, and we are going to watch if a pullback occurs before $1.86 breaks to the upside. If it breaks, we might move quite directly higher. And where could we get to? Let's talk about that as well. So if the market breaks above that $1.86 level, the next target, where are we here? So 1 second. Well, the next level to watch would be 245. That's just usually a common target for a 3rd wave. So circle wave 3 could then top there if we break above 186. Because then I would have to reshuffle here. Wave 1 would be down there somewhere. So I don't want to move that all of this now. I just want to mention these levels. So 245, above that level, 354. and above that level 444. Yeah, so above that level, the 444 level is the first ideal target for this larger third wave. It's the 1.38 extension, but also here extension is possible. It's just that this is the first ideal target. I don't trust it really if it only gets to 354. So it really ideally gives us that additional fib level minimally, okay, to get to the first ideal target. Can always extend further. You know, extensions in third waves have to be assumed. You cannot predict them because sometimes they show, sometimes not. But especially in a bullish market, in third waves and in crypto, these further direct extensions happen quite frequently. So it remains a bullish structure. It remains a bullish market here. And it seems like we're working on a 5-wave pattern to the upside. The thing is, we now need to see if all of this is still circle wave 1. But above 186, I have to assume circle wave 3 is already unfolding. Depending on what's going on here, we may have to shift all of this a little bit around. Yeah? But at the moment, I can tell you, yep, there is a bit of a reaction exactly to that 61.8 extension level. However, no indication really that a more substantial top has formed. So we need to remain patient. And to be honest, this is still, it's not really coming down. So very, very high level consolidation there at the moment. So it's bullish. All eyes need to be on the $1.86 level. And I gave you the targets above that level to basically the levels to watch. Yeah? If we get a break below what I would label as, well, 1 second. I mean, some of you might ask, okay, when can I say that the pullback is unfolding, and when is it, let's say, fairly clear that circle wave 2 here is unfolding? Difficult to say. So this fifth wave is very much extended. So that means because the Fibonacci levels are typically based on, measured against the length of a move, the stronger the move is, the further away the fib levels are, okay, because they get very much extended as well. So here, for example, the $1.40 level needs to break as an early indication that really a top is in place and circle wave 2 might be unfolding. So what can I say? It's the chart remains bullish. It reached my target area. It has reached the upper boundary line of the target area. It is a target area because I know that above that level, so if we break above 186 in this case, a different wave count applies. So this is sort of, yeah, a pivot, okay? So as long as we stay below that 186 level, everything goes according to this structure here with a wave 2 pullback. But a sustained break above it, as I said, would mean we're already in circle wave 3, something that we may see more and more frequently in the crypto space, especially in a bullish market. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.